Okay, guys, so ChatGPT, one of the most, you can say, unique thing we ever found. So today, we are going to present you the more advanced, you can say, feature, okay, in the ChatGPT technology. Okay, so if you check in the ChatGPT, people are using this AI technology to new level. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you are going to, you can say, do the one of them. So let's suppose if you want to create the video, okay, in the video section, you will see that most people love to, you can say, play the most, you can say, things that you ever enjoy, okay, because things are going very fast and technology is changing so far. So here, if let's suppose I want some ideas taken 8 Jin Kazama. Let's suppose this is the famous game. Okay, so I am sorry. You have to enter slash imagine. Okay, imagine. Okay, this video is all about, you can say, for you to get the most, you can say, advanced level of this technology, and then you are going to get most important things with the help of AI, ChatGPT, and this, you can say, midjourney. Okay, so from Jin Kazama. Okay, so Jin Kazama as host. Okay, so let's suppose I would love to, you can say, see the Jin Kazama. Mean that I am the gaming geek guy. Okay, so I always, you can say, searching for the game, but in this chat GPT tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you will get, you can say, the most advanced things you ever get, okay, with the help of chat gpt and other recording software. So this is the chat gpt. Okay, so here I get these images. Okay, so these images are of, you can say, the quality, but if you you can say, if you don't like these images, then you have to, you can say, click on reprocess, so it will come up with the you can say refined version of this one. So it basically give you the next level, that if it is not, you can say, able to give you the best, you can say, so it will generate you can say the new version. So let's suppose I click on the new version, so I will link each and everything, that how you are going to, you can say, get you can say full video in action whenever you. So this is, you can say, okay, so this is, you can say, now the picture is going on. Okay, so it is you can say, look at the, you can say, level rate. Okay, so how much you can say level of, you can say, Jin Kazama is going to be. So this one is right now the new concept of the Jin Kazama. Okay, I love this version because if you see now, think outside the box. Okay, this is my example, and at the same time you will come up with your examples as well, that what you can say AI does for you. Now next, go to the next section. From this mid journey, you can generate your own avatar. Okay, once you create the avatar, okay, then you need to save this avatar on your desktop. Then I have to present you another website, which is, you can say, uh, eli.io. Here what you have to do, you have to use technology. Okay, and then you have to, you can say, click on here, because in the previous video, you in the previous section, you basically know that how you are going to create the avatar. Now in this video, you are going to create the video with the help of avatar. So you just need to click on create. Okay, this tool is awesome, mean that whatever you imagine will do here. Okay, so this is the host. Okay, so this host will, you can say, provide you now now this is the game changer here. Okay, so these are the predefined hosts from their side, but here you will generate your, you can say, AI, you can say, and then you just need to use here create avatar, and then you have to drag that avatar here. So it's mean that it's a you can say, now here in this example, I'm going to tell you that these are the, you can say, now what this technology will do, mean that how you are going to generate. Now if you are going to present some sales section, so you just need to ask the chat gpt, write me write me or script 200 words for email marketing services. So it will write, you can say chat gpt will write, you can say, if you can say will provide you some email marketing services, you can say template that you are going to use. Okay, so this is, you can say that basically it is writing the email, but I'm just telling you that here you have to enter your prompt as per your need. Okay, so I'm just giving you, you can say, the idea that how you are going to. Now I know that this is an email, but I will try to, you can say, tell you, you can say that how this technology will change over the landscape. Now here you have to enter this, you can say, whatever the script you have to, and then you have to use the accent. Okay, so which accent you want to use. Okay, so these are some premium and these are some free as well, but I would say that you would check, you can say. So here Arya is using the free, you can say, for. Okay, then you can say if I click on the elements here, okay, I can easily, you can say, set the background images as well. So if I click on the see all images, okay, then I will choose one professional, you can say, background for her. So let's suppose if I click on this one, okay, and then I click on add, okay, and then click this image as, you can say, if I go apply this frame to background. Now this is your you can say character, and this is the background image, and same for the music as well. Mean that if you you can say use music, for example this one. Okay, let's suppose our journey. So let's suppose I use this image or this music. Okay, I select this and regarding the animation, that fade from left, no animation, fade in right to top to bottom, this animation will also, you can say, play an important role as well. So after that, if you click on the template, okay, which template you would like, I mean that basically I use the basic template. Okay, so here I basically play this one. Okay, so let's see the how the things are going.
Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing personalized email marketing solutions that cater to the specific.
So this one look like, okay, if I click on the render, okay, it is asking me to render. Okay, so now this video is going to be render. Not enough, you don't have enough minute to render, upgrade your account or top of minute in your profile to go. So let's suppose if I you can say remove, you can say some, I think I have used some. Okay, so let's see that if that. Okay, so let me retry. Okay, not enough minutes. You don't have enough minute to render this video. Upgrade your account or top up minutes in your profile to continue. Okay, so this is something yet it's all about the minutes. So let me see that what it's you can say avatar. Okay, so I use this girl as you can see. Okay, and then I use this one, animation, it's fine, music. Okay, so might be I'm using anything paid here, because these are the element that you have to understand that uh, okay. this is basically the reason is that I use this tool as a, you can say, free tool, free trial, but this is asking for me to, you can say, buy the paid version. But this is the, you can say, tool you can also try for initial purposes, okay, for free version. Once you will get the more, you can say, your desired result, then you can purchase this tool. Mean that this is how you are going to, you can say,
Our team of experience.
mean that this basically this tool is asking me to, you can say, to, you can say, upgrade my profile, because I started this as a free trial version. But I will, in the upcoming videos, I will let you know some free tools that how you are going to. But this is the first tool that I would say that, and in this way you will, you can say, test your video and let me know your feedback as well. Thank you, and keep watching for more updates.